Okay, let's talk about the most expensive place we have stayed at in Albania, but
The best.
the best.
Most beautiful with the perfect view
Yep.
and location.
Yeah, but it was only expensive because it was high season and we booked it at the last minute. So
And it wasn't that expensive just by Albanian standards.
it was 130 euro a night, so that's about 160. But wait till you see it. We're gonna show it to you, and
It's
you're
an
gonna see
entire
it.
apartment too.
Yeah, it is definitely a great location because you got one of our favorite restaurants, Kasandro. Nice people there right below us
And
on
our
the bottom
our favorite little neighborhood bar.
floor. The Buzz Bar.
The Buzz Bar.
And there's also a grocery store right down below us too. So you had all those conveniences
And
right
tons
there.
of restaurants and a absolutely stunning view of the beach and the water.
Yep. With it being high season and a high price, we also had to switch rooms 3 times, our apartments 3 times
Because we wanted to stay in that same
for
building.
7 days. So we had to switch, but they helped us. They
Worth
moved
it.
everything for us. They went out of their way to make it smooth. And we're going to show you 2 of the 3 apartments because one of them was very similar to the other one. So we're going to show you the 2 different apartments that were there. One thing though, they didn't have a pool, but most places in Albania don't have a pool.
Well, you're literally
No
a
microwave.
few feet from the beach, so you
Yeah.
don't need a pool.
And no microwave, but you got a nice restaurant down below. You don't need that.
No clothes dryer either. It's a European thing.
But they do have a laundry service. We paid 12 euro for a huge bag of laundry to get done.
Just like what, $15?
Yeah, like 15 bucks for them to do it. And yeah. And now let's play a little game before we get into the video. Let's see how many times Mitch says, check this out. Wow, we have made it to the 9th floor, to room 52952. And here is our room. Can't wait to see this thing. We paid a little bit more than what we normally pay. Paid about what you would pay in the States. I think it came out to about 160 a night US, but wait till you see it. Marcy looks happy. There's a reason that she's smiling so much. Why are you so happy, dear? But anyway,
Look at our place.
we got a big old L section here. She's got a big old kitchen over there. I got a big old TV here so we can watch the soccer or football, however you want to say it here. Marcy loves the decorations on the wall. And we have a stove and a kettle and everything that we need here to even got a what is this thing called, baby, that makes the sandwiches? Panini?
Maker?
Huh?
A panini maker.
Yep.
We have all of the pots and pans and silverware.
And we got
fridge.
a fridge that's actually cold and a freezer.
Is there ice in that freezer?
I don't know, I hadn't looked yet, but there's a sink. There's all kinds of drawers. Let me take you back here to the master bedroom, the main bedroom. That's what it looks like. Marcy's happy. She's got a mirror in here and got a little makeup area here. Got a little desk. Got a couple of nightstands. The bed's over here set a little closer to the ground, to the floor, but that's okay. We need to exercise. Got a little mini safe here. This is so funny. That one's actually mounted, but we have stayed at a couple places where the safe was like that, and it was just weird. You could pick it up and walk away with it. Kind of defeated the purpose. But here is the mirror. This is that, and then you got this little hallway here, and look at this. You got a little place to hang all your stuff, put your luggage, and then you got the bathroom here. You got everything here. Not just the toilet, but you also got and this is something you don't see a lot of here that we've come across, is an enclosed shower. A lot of places we stayed at, the shower would just have the glass piece here, and then the floor would get all wet, but not here. You got the shower there, and with the spray nozzle and everything else. But I think Marcy's waiting for us. A nice little area here to get ready at in the morning. Marcy's ready for us she wants to show off the best part. Here's what here's what you get on the 9th floor. Check this out. Check this out. Here's our patio.
from the living room, from the bedroom, and from the bathroom. This is our view.
Yep. Wow. Check this out, y'all. This is crazy. We are on the 9th floor. There's the city of Sarandë, Albania. And this is our view from the 9th floor. There's Greece. Corfu Greece is over there. And wow, check this out. They got the big soccer thing down there where they have the soccer games at night. And then you got one of the roads here. This just circles all the way around. You got the boardwalk. The boardwalk starts right here. And then it goes all the way around. All the way, you see the Ferris wheel. And then it ends right over there. And there's the port. You can catch a boat. Oh wow, check this view out. Check this view out. And you just heard that beep. There's a bus stop in front of us. So there's the bus down there. But wow, what a view. What a view. If you're liking this view and you like our content, please consider subscribing, ring the bell, and give us a comment. Tell us what you think of this place. Oh man, it is so crazy that this city is right here built on the mountain, side of the mountain. But this is super nice. So I think somebody's pretty happy here.
I am in love with this place. Best place ever.
This place?
Yes.
So here we are on the 3rd floor, 313. And as we come in the door, get the old school telephone and your key thing. You gotta put your key in the door for everything to work, which is cool. Got all that. Got a little area here to put stuff at. We'll go out there on the patio. We'll go out there on the patio in just a minute, but don't mind our stuff. We're moving for changing rooms. But you got this right here. You got a couch right here. Got a, I don't know, 43, no, that's more, probably a 43-inch TV. Not big as the other one, but still nice. What do you think, baby? You liking this? I love that it has a table.
And it's got two different balconies.
Look how you like the wallpaper there.
That's interesting.
It's got the smaller fridge. I think that's smaller than what we had before.
No, it's not.
It just opens from the other side.
Yeah.
That's the only weird thing about it. But you got, we don't have an oven like we had in the other place, but we still got a stove. Yeah, we're here for one night.
I don't plan on cooking.
And we're here for one night, got the kettle. And then as we come back here, I'll show you this. Master bedroom with nightstands. Got a little makeup area here for Marcy to put on her makeup if that's what she wants to do. Got the closets here. Got a little bit bigger safe, and it is mounted, so that's kind of cool. And got your own little balcony right here. But you're looking out the back of the building. This is the back side of the building. But still, nice big patio here. We were right up that hill at another place. It says it's luxury apartments. It's right up that hill, and on the right said it's luxury apartments, and we got there and it was anything but luxury. We hated our time there. And right on the other side of this wall is the bunker bar. If we hadn't posted a video of that, we will in the near future. Might be a short, but we will post that one. And let's make our way, look at the bathroom, and then I'll take you out on the patio. And here's the bathroom here. It's not bad. Got the shower, it's all glassed in just like the other place, so it ain't just open where it floods. And you got a little mirror here, look at that. Got some soap, shampoo, and now we're gonna take you out on the patio, right babe? Did you go out on the, did you see that patio?
Yeah, we got a front.
We got two front and back patios. Feel the AC blowing, it feels good in here. It ain't the best of you, but hey, it'll work. It ain't like the other ones, but it will work. Got a nice area out here to hang out, couches and stuff. Got a pallet there for a coffee table. Got a table right here, and then as we come out here, there's the boardwalk. And we posted that video earlier. I'll try to leave a link, leave it at the end of this video so you can check it out. But man, look at this downtown Sarandë, just built up on a mountain. It's really nice, not bad. We're pretty happy here, really happy with Aqua Marina. But that's gonna be it for this tour of this apartment, the third one we've had. And the reason we had to move around because we asked for 7 days, and they said, well, we can do 7 days, but we can do 3 in one and 3 in the other and 1 in this one. And so I had to move around, but they were super nice. They came and moved our stuff, helped us move our stuff from one room to the next. Didn't have to carry our luggage around with us, just left it in the other room until this one was ready. And then we moved over here, and they helped us move both times that we had to move. So that was amazing. Look at the chandelier there. Wow. But anyway, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.